What is Git, and what is its primary purpose in software development? Git is a distributed version control system designed for tracking changes in source code during software development. Its primary purpose is to help multiple developers work collaboratively on a project, keeping track of changes, and ensuring version control. Explain the difference between Git and GitHub. Git is the version control system itself, while GitHub is a web-based platform for hosting and collaborating on Git repositories. GitHub provides a graphical user interface, issue tracking, and other collaboration features. What are the basic Git commands you would use to create a new repository? To create a new Git repository, you can use the following commands. Git init to initialize a new Git repository. Git add to stage all files. Git commit m initial commit to make the initial commit. How do you create a Git branch, and what's the purpose of branching in Git? To create a new branch in Git, you can use Git branch_name. Branching is essential for parallel development, allowing multiple developers to work on different features or bug fixes without interfering with each other. What is a commit in Git, and how do you create a new commit? A commit is a snapshot of the changes in your code at a specific moment. To create a new commit, use Git commit m commit message after staging your changes with Git add. Explain the difference between Git merge and Git rebase. When would you use one over the other? Git merge combines changes from one branch into another, creating a merge commit. Git rebase moves the entire history of one branch to another, making it appear as if the changes were made on top of the other branch. You would use merge for preserving the history and rebase for a cleaner linear history. What is a Git conflict, and how do you resolve it? A Git conflict occurs when there are conflicting changes in the same part of a file from different branches. To resolve a conflict, you need to manually edit the file to include the desired changes, then stage and commit the resolved file. What is the Git command to revert to a previous commit? You can use Git reset to revert to a previous commit. For example, Git reset hard less than commit _hash greater than will reset the branch to the specified commit, discarding all subsequent commits. What is Git version control, and how does it help in collaborative software development? Git version control tracks changes in code, allowing multiple developers to collaborate on a project simultaneously. It helps manage conflicts, roll back changes, and maintain a history of all code modification. How do you push your local Git repository to a remote repository? Use Git push remote _name branch _name to push your local changes to a remote repository. For example, Git push origin master pushes the local master branch to the origin remote.